Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn 20 birds' names in English. Let's start learning. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. It is small and brown. Parrot. This is a parrot. It is green and can talk. Peacock. This is a peacock. It has beautiful, colorful feathers. Crow. This is a crow. It is black and very smart. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It is common in cities. Duck. This is a duck. It can swim in water. Hen. This is a hen. It gives us eggs. Rooster. This is a rooster. It crows in the morning. Eagle. This is an eagle. It flies very high. Owl. This is an owl. It can see at night. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. It is pink and stands on one leg. Swan. This is a swan. It is white and beautiful. Penguin. This is a penguin. It cannot fly but can swim. Dove. This is a dove. It is a symbol of peace. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. It pecks trees. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It catches fish. Hawk. This is a hawk. It is a strong bird. Falcon. This is a falcon. It is very fast. Seagull. This is a seagull. It lives near the sea. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. It is the biggest bird. Great job! Now you have learned 20 birds' names in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.